Very good evening, friends, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. What a beautiful indicator I've created. Really, I feel proud of myself, which is helpful for not only for me as well as for the people who have bought this indicator. See, here, this is the midweek of the month highlighter, that gray color background. It indicates that midweek of the month is starting. Exactly today, the market came down to the bottom. You all know that it came down to 25,473 and then reversed. What a reverse you can see, the reverse is almost huge reverse. That is 200 to 220 points. So if I measure the exact reversal, it is 341 points, not 200 points. 341 points, the huge reversal in the market. The market fell like that. And my indicator, this is the midweek of the month highlighter, that is gray color background. It indicates that midweek of the month has been started over here. Rolling pivot reversal magic. Most of the people who have purchased my indicator, they know that what is the beauty of this indicator. And episodic pivot, it triggered actually around 5 minutes or something, it triggered high volume. And market memory POC, this is the latest one. Um, it is 100% conviction you can take the trade. See the beauty of this indicator. This is weekly value area high, yellow color thing. And here, if I zoom it out exactly on 15 minutes, see, you can see around 12 p.m., the 15-minute candle crossing the weekly POC. Daily POC, daily value area high, weekly value area high. When it blasted through all these areas, then the market did not stop. You can see the blast of 340 points in the market. That is the beauty of the all the indicators. See, our rolling pivot reversal magic turned green. It was red all throughout. And the value area high of the daily POC, you can see this is the yellow colored cross or daily POC. Value area high of the weekly value area high. When market crossed these value areas, daily value area and weekly value area, it was a blast, and the price rolling pivot turning into green, it was a blast, and the GAN helo turned into blue. That was the signal. You could have taken the 25,000 friends 800 call option, which was trading around 7 rupees, blasted to 72 rupees. That is zero to hero. You could have taken, I can take you to that call option and I'll show you. These are the beauty of my indicator. The indicator is very, very good. This is comparable to the TPO, time price opportunity, market profile. This is based on the market profile only. Everybody cannot access this indicator. So I created an indicator, even that my TPO cannot tell you both the things. Weekly POC and daily POC will not come together. They have coordinated. I combined all these things and I created an indicator that is market memory POC. It remembers value, price value. This is the name of the indicator what I have given. So I have created a very good indicator. It was a super combination market reversed with gust and it has closed. It has not come to the previous day. 25,947 is the high previous day. Tomorrow, within no time, it can go up to that, tomorrow is expiry, you can anticipate for reversal in the market because midweek of the month all the premiums will become cheap and almost all the stocks option premiums will become cheap, and you can notice same type of a reversal in the most of the stocks. You can anticipate for that. I'm not going in detail for the everything. You can see the beauty of this indicator. So that is the indicator. Most of the people have bought rolling pivot, reversal magic, episodic pivot. Let me change it to 5 minutes. You can see the trigger. Episodic pivot trigger, you can see over here. Episodic pivot triggered at this, and there is a 12 p.m. 12:20. It has been triggered at 25,644. This is the episode. High volume has been triggered, and the presence of the institutional money, and the price is above, way above the weekly value area high, daily value area high, and it is above that. You can take the trade with conviction. What a blast it is. When institution comes into the market, this type of alignment will come. And this type of alignment has come. It is a boon for an option buyer. Even for the option writer, they could have sold the put option, they could have made credit spreads to sell the put option when there is huge reversal. If they would have sold put option also, they could have made money. This is how it is. Let me take you to before closing, let me take you to the option, 25,800 option, 800 call option. Now, this is actually, it is going to February, not so. Let us go to 25,800 call option. You can see over here, price crossing above this around 21 rupees. It was loitering around 7 rupees. It crossed the daily value area high. When it crossed the daily value area high around 11.50 and 11 rupees 50 paisa, and the rolling pivot turning into green. This was the trigger. Episodic pivot triggered at 34 rupees, and you can see the market moving higher to 72 91 rupees. Sorry, it went up to, if I place the cursor, 89 rupees 90 paisa. 0 to hero, 7 rupees. If you would have caught this move, you would have made money. Actually, I posted in my community also the trade which I located. So friends, if you do not have any access to my indicator, you can WhatsApp me on this number 9844520960. This is my WhatsApp number. It is paid indicator. You will definitely, it is worth buying it. It is worth buying it. It is my constant effort, and I openly disclose the concept behind it. The many traders, they don't do that. The many people they are selling the indicator with very high price. I am not doing so. With a nominal price, I am giving it to you for lifetime access, not for monthly subscription or any 2 month subscription like that. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. I wish you all the best.